There's something so comforting about a pot of homemade soup simmering on the stove. The smell fills the whole kitchen. The windows get a little steamy, and suddenly everything feels warm and cozy. Today we're making one of my favorite soups. It's rich, hearty, flavorful, and perfect for chilly days or whenever you want a comforting homemade meal. And the best part? It's actually very simple to make. So let's start cooking. For this recipe, you'll need about 4 to 5 medium potatoes. Peel them and cut them into small cubes. We'll also need 1 large onion, a carrot, a few cloves of garlic, chicken broth, tomato sauce or tomato paste, and 1 can of garbanzo beans. For the meatballs, I'm using ground turkey today, but honestly, you can use whatever ground meat you like most. Ground beef works beautifully, and chicken is also delicious. Now, let's talk about the spices because they really make this soup special. We'll use saffron powder, cumin, oregano, coriander, paprika, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. These spices give the soup such a warm, deep flavor and make the broth taste absolutely incredible. Before we start cooking the soup itself, let's make the meatballs. Add the ground turkey into a large bowl. Season it with salt, black pepper, paprika, a little cumin, and coriander. Mix everything really well until the seasoning is evenly combined. Now, roll the mixture into small meatballs. I like making them bite-sized because they cook quickly and are easier to eat in soup. Once the meatballs are ready, lightly coat them in flour. This helps them get a beautiful golden crust and also slightly thickens the soup later. Now, heat some vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Carefully place the meatballs into the pot and let them fry until golden brown on all sides. At this point, your kitchen already starts smelling amazing. You don't need to fully cook the meatballs right now because they'll continue cooking in the broth later. Once they're nicely browned, remove them from the pot and set them aside for now. Don't wash the pot. All those little browned bits left at the bottom are full of flavor. Now, finely chop the onion and add it directly into the same pot. Cook the onion slowly for a few minutes until it becomes soft, golden, and fragrant. Then add diced carrots. The carrots add natural sweetness to the soup and make the broth even richer. Cook everything together for another few minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add the diced potatoes. Mix them with the onions and carrots and let everything cook together for about 1 minute. This little step gives the vegetables so much more flavor. Now add 1 cup of tomato sauce, or if you're using tomato paste, add about 2 tablespoons. Stir everything together really well. The tomato adds richness, color, and a slight sweetness that works perfectly with the spices. Let it cook for another couple of minutes so the flavors can deepen. Now, return the meatballs back into the soup. Pour in the remaining broth. In total, we're using about 1 liter. Add a bay leaf, then all the remaining spices. A little saffron powder, turmeric, oregano, paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, and black pepper. Give everything a really good stir. At this point, the soup already smells warm, rich, and comforting. Bring the soup to a gentle boil. Then, reduce the heat, cover the pot slightly, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes, open the pot and add 1 can of garbanzo beans. The chickpeas make the soup even more hearty and satisfying. Stir everything together and let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, add freshly chopped herbs on top. Parsley or cilantro both work wonderfully here. And that's it. A cozy homemade soup filled with tender meatballs, potatoes, chickpeas, and warming spices.